Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to pause Instagram Reels. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Instagram and I'm in Reel section. And here, if I tap on any reel, here we can see the reel is mute and unmute by tapping on the reel. So here I can't, as you can see, I can't mute the reel. So if you're also having the same error, if you're trying to mute if you're trying to pause the specific reel but you are not getting the option, here how you can easily mute any reel. To mute any reel, first of all you have to tap on the reel and you have to hold your finger on your reel, and then you will see the reel is paused. And to replay the reel, you have to release your fingers and the reel will be again play. So this is how we can actually mute reels on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.